Have you heard about generator? In every electric generator, a simple truth unfolds. Mechanical energy, when guided through the right components, transforms into electrical energy. It begins with the drive, a crank or motor that introduces motion into the system. This motion spins the armature loop, a coil of wire placed between the poles of a powerful magnet. As the loop rotates within the magnetic field, it cuts through magnetic lines of force, triggering electromagnetic induction, the very process that generates electric current. To control and direct this current, the loop connects to a commutator, a split ring that ensures the flow of electricity remains consistent and usable. Pressed gently against the commutator are carbon brushes, which transfer the current from the rotating loop to the external circuit. Finally, the current travels through electrical wires, reaching its destination, a glowing light bulb, the visible proof that motion has become power. From the first turn of the drive to the final flicker of light, each part plays a vital role in this elegant conversion. This is the science behind the spark, and the story of how movement becomes illumination. Now we talk about principles of operation of generators. An armature loop rotates in a homogeneous magnetic field, and electric current is induced in it. The direction of the current is determined by the right-hand rule. Place the 3 fingers of your right hand as shown on the screen. If you point your thumb in the direction of the motion of the armature and your index finger in the direction of the magnetic induction vector, your middle finger will show the direction of the induced current. You may have learned about electrical motor in school. Electric motors are the heartbeat of modern machines, where electricity becomes motion. It all begins with electric energy flowing into the system through connected wires. This current enters the carbon brushes, which press gently against the commutator, a rotary switch that controls the direction of flow. The commutator channels the current into the armature loop, a coil of wire placed between the poles of a strong magnet. As electric current flows through the loop, it interacts with the magnetic field, generating a force that causes the armature to spin. This spinning motion is the motor's mechanical output, transferred directly to a fan or any connected device. The result? Electrical energy transformed into mechanical energy, powering movement with precision and purpose. Every part plays a role in this elegant conversion, turning invisible current into visible motion. Now we talk about the principles of operation of electrical motor. An armature loop in which electric current is flowing rotates in a homogeneous magnetic field, and a force acts on it. The direction of the force is determined by the right-hand rule. Place the 3 fingers of your right hand as shown on the screen. If you point your thumb in the direction of the current and your index finger in the direction of the magnetic induction vector, your middle finger will show the direction of the force that affects the armature loop.